Opposition to the government of President Vladimir Putin in Russia can be divided between the parliamentary opposition parties in the State Duma and the various non-systemic opposition organizations. While the former are largely viewed as being more or less loyal to the government and Putin, the latter oppose the government and are mostly unrepresented in government bodies. Major political parties considered to be part of the non-systemic opposition include Yabloko and the People's Freedom Party, as well as various non-governmental organizations. Their supporters vary in political ideology, ranging from liberals and socialists to nationalists and monarchists as well as apolitical individuals. They are mainly unified by their opposition to President Putin and corruption in the government. However, a lack of unity within the opposition has also hindered its standing. Furthermore, leading members of the opposition have become targets of violence, including assassinations and harassment, which they allege can be attributed to the government of Vladimir Putin. Opposition figures also claim that a number of laws have been passed and other measures taken by President Putin's government to prevent them from having any electoral success. Most opposition organizations independent from the Kremlin encounter a restrictive law on political parties, refusals of registration by the Justice Ministry, censorship in major mass media, primarily federal TV channels. According to Vladimir Ryzhkov, over the last 4 years for identical, formal reason, 9 political parties were denied registration from left to right, and not any new party was registered. In modern Russia, this is not possible. The Guardian reporter Luke Harding noted that during the 2000s Russian nationalists and ultranationalist groups may have been the most significant right-wing opposition to Putin's government. Since 2012 for the protesters for fair elections the term white ribbon opposition has been applied, as they wore white ribbons as their symbol. Current campaigns of the opposition. In addition, smaller-scale series of actions are conducted. For example, in Moscow in the spring of 2012 saw a series of flash mobs, White Square, when protesters walked through the Red Square with white ribbons. In the late spring and summer, they organized the protest camp, Occupy a Bay, and autumn they held weekly, Liberty Walks, with chains symbolizing solidarity with political prisoners. A monstration is a parody demonstration where participants gently poke fun at Kremlin policies. Some opposition figures, for example, chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov, said there are no elections in Putin's Russia, and that participation in a procedure called elections only legitimizes the regime. On the other hand, a small part of liberals consider elections as the main tool to achieve their political goals. The system opposition also supports participation in elections. Strategy 31 was a series of civic protests in support of the right to peaceful assembly in Russia, guaranteed by Article 31 of the Russian Constitution. Since July 31, 2009, the protests were held in Moscow on Triumphalnaya Square on the 31st of every month with 31 days. Strategy 31 was led by writer Eduard Limonov and human rights activist Lyudmila Alexeyeva. Starting from the 5th of December 2011, the day after the elections to the State Duma, there have been repeated massive political actions of Russian citizens who disagree with the outcome of these elections. The current surge of mass opposition rallies has been called in some publications a snow revolution. These rallies continued during the campaign for the election of the President of Russia and after March 4, 2012 presidential election, in which Putin officially won the first round. The protesters claimed that the elections were accompanied by violations of the election legislation and widespread fraud. One of the main slogans of the majority of actions was "for fair elections," and a white ribbon has been chosen as symbol of protests. Beginning from spring 2012 the actions were called Marches of Millions and took the form of a march, followed by a rally. The speeches of participants were anti-Putin and anti-government. The March of Millions, on the 6th of May 2012 at the approach to Bolotnya Square was dispersed by the police. In the Bolotnya Square case 17 people are accused of committing violence against police. A large number of human rights defenders and community leaders have declared the detainees innocent. and the police responsible for the clashes. For the rally on December 15, 2012, the anniversary of the mass protests against rigged elections, the organizers failed to agree with the authorities, and participation was low. Several thousand people gathered without placards on Lubyanka Square and laid flowers at the Solovetsky Stone. In 2014, members of the Russian opposition have held anti-war protests in opposition to Russian military intervention in UK.